So I'm here at my aunt's house, and this is my cousin Abigail and my uncle. My uncle. Yeah. Say hi to my channel. My fans. Say to my fans. It's our New Year. Hello, Aba. Guys, I'm at the house of my aunt. Can you say hi? Hi. Kanay. Sarap. Ha? Alin? Alin? Oh, ikaw? Itong video? Okay. Nag-ano lang.
Daming tao. Daming handa.
34 to 46.
Ayan yung pagkain namin ngayon. I'm here.
Sana po na.
Sa labas po.
Ay,
Ano yung kinakain mo? Crab.
you guys have some here.
Uncle.
Yep.
Happy New Year. Kawawa naman yung pig. She loves fruits. Can you get more fruits? You get more. Come on. Paborito niya kasi yung ano eh. Gustong gusto niya yung prutas. Ayan. You like it? Ava? Yum. Here. Ito na. Eat it. Why? Oy, no, don't put it back. Put it here. Uy, no. Dito na. See? Okay. Wow. Ayan, ang mga magaganda.
Hello, followers.
Mga pretty. But I'm the prettier.
Oh my God, I'm so...
Ha?
Lagay mo sa Facebook.
Hindi lang po sa Facebook. Sa YouTube.
Isagin mo ang pangalan
Mag-hi
ko.
ka nga sa mga fans ko.
Isagin mo yung pangalan ko para
Oo po. Mag-hi ka muna sa mga fans ko. Say hi to my fans. What? I mean, she's my number one fans. Ano nga ang pangalan mo, Nay?
Outing Solis.
Ayun.
Diba?
Ayan ang pangalan niya, ha? Tandaan nyo, guys. Guys, tandaan nyo. Ano,
Hindi na yun.
ano yung birthday mo?
Ha?
Birthday mo?
Birthday?
Mm-mm.
August.
August
18.
ano?
18 Sunday. August
Ayan. May magpapadala sa iyo ng regalo.
Parang PO ba?
Guys, we'll send the address, ha? Gusto mo? Ay,
Dadating yan sa aking Facebook, ha?
pa? Ano pa?
Pag nilagay mo sa Facebook ko, sinabi mo pangalan ko, makikita ko sa Facebook ko.
Pa yung pangalan mo?
Auring Solis.
Auring Solis. Yan ang pangalan ni Nanay, ha? Tandaan nyo, guys. August 18. Bababa.
Alam mo, ha? 1199.
911.
0574-911-211.
Meron kang ano eh. Yung pang hawak.
Ano?
Hello. So, ayan ha.
Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn anything about the photo booth business or photography business. Please subscribe, Abby Coco.
Whose channel is this? It's my channel. Oh yeah! Hello! Hi there! Isa pa. Hello. Say, hello, my fans. Hello, my fans. Hello.
I keeps on asking. He got another bottle of crown. And he's like throwing money around. And I'm like, yeah.
Anong sabi mo? Can you say hi? This is my vlog.
Hello. This is your blog.
Yeah.
This is
This is my cousin. His name is Uning.
hello.
Well, that's his nickname.
This is
Not his real.
Big Pimpin' Industries. I'm kidding. No. Hello. This is hello. Come on. Hey, join the vlog.
We're vlogging. Yeah. Come on, guys. Say hi to my channel. She's vlogging. She's vlogging. Say hi.
Hi to her fans.
Hey fans! Happy New Year to all the fans! Happy New Year!
Yeah.
You guys have a good one, yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure you wear yellow, white, gold,
of the year.
purple, gray. You know, you Filipinas, come on. And then this is Telina. Yes, always represent your Telina.
Yep. That's our baby Talina.
Yes,
She's
yes.
in heaven. Baby. Oh.
And that's Abba who's here behind.
Yeah. What are you? What? What did you say? I'm eating. You're eating. This is my daughter, Michaela, and our Abba behind us. Mama.
Where's the trash at? Oh, you get it?
Come on. Where's Abba? Abba.
Why you gotta show up looking so good just to hurt me? Why you gotta stop so damn well?
Aba.
And I'm so tired, this ain't working. Why
Jen, papakin mo si Aba. Okay then, come on. You wanna do it? No? Why? Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Hold it! Abba, hold it! There you go. Come on! It's not. Oh, look. Yay! Just put it like that. Come on!
Right there, give her. Give her one.
Oh, there you go, Abba. Abba. Come on. There you go. Hey, Dan, you want one? No more Abba.